Good afternoon. Today I'm finishing up my weekly reading. Today I'm reading for Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, and Pisces. And this reading here is for Pisces. Welcome, Pisces. I'm using 5 card decks, and the reading starts with the Shaman's Dream Oracle card, and out for you came the Wall. And the wall is about obstacles, being inconvenienced by life, some detours, and non-action. There are moments in your life when you are so geared up, so sure that you are on track with such drive and momentum that you are shocked and confused when you encounter a wall. This unpredictability occurs outside your ability to plan, regardless of if you have done everything right and in alignment with the divine. It is imperative that you change your attitude now. This temporary roadblock is not an obstacle to blast through. This is not an invitation to push harder, cancel other plans, or worry about who will win or who will lose. This is a stopping point to enable you to slow down and to contemplate the part of the manifesting equation that you and everyone else forgets. Life on life's terms will override your best laid plans. Yes, as inconvenient as it may seem, this experience is an important reminder that you are a human being, not a human doing. Perhaps you are being reminded of your mortality, or that you are but a small part of a bigger universe where your destiny intersects with others. Your life may be meant to serve another purpose at this moment, and your attention meant to be directed elsewhere. Consider that this place of temporary non-action is exactly meant to be for you. Perhaps it is because all you desire and have set in motion needs time to coalesce with into the form on another side. Could it be that all the elements are not yet in place for its manifestation to be for the highest good of all? Patience is required now, and the wisdom that this might be a great time to take a break and contemplate gratitude. What is truly yours will never be walled off from you. Card number 2 is Work Your Light Oracle card, and out came the Star Mother. And the card is asking, how can you mother yourself? You are more held than you could possibly imagine. You are loved and cherished so dearly that if you knew, you would not spend 1 second of your life in separation, in worry, or in fear. So let a mother carry your burdens. Let her rock away your fears. Lay all of your worries, regrets, shame, and guilt on her altar. Please, please, sweet child, Do not fear, she says. You are love in motion, and if you allow it, you are already healed. So let the Star Mother remind you of your goodness and let her love away your fears. Your capacity to love and hold others is limited to your capacity to love and hold yourself. So be compassionate with your sweet body, mind, and soul. Treat yourself like the beautiful spirit that you truly are, and remind yourself that you are doing your best, and try not to carry it all on your own. You have got this card so that a mother has come to you to help you. Let her broad arms take away your burdens. Let her lift the weight of the world off your shoulders, and forgive yourself by my dear sweet child of the earth. Forgive yourself, my dear sweet child of the earth, says the Star Mother. Next card is the Sacred Destiny Oracle card, and out came for you. Wait a moment, we have an opportunity. It's opportunity. Moon through pine trees is the title, and in fact there is a moon looking through the dark night where there are trees, supposedly pine trees. An occasional owl hoot and the song of a solo coyote punctuate the stillness in this forest as a traveler walks through the pines. Light from a waning moon filters down through the canopy of needles and cascades across the forest floor. Sometimes the trees obscure the moon, but sometimes its illumination clearly shows the path ahead. Pines are one of the most ancient plants on the planet. They have existed nearly 3 times longer than all flowering plant species because most pines stay green all winter. They traditionally represent longevity, immortality, fertility, health, and abundance. The moon and its glow represents the feminine and receptive side of life. Just as the moon receives and reflects the light of the sun, symbolically, the moon represents receiving the goodness of the universe flowing to you. The sacred landscape wants you to know gifts from the universe are ready to cascade into your life. Abundance, health, longevity, vitality, and joy, they are flowing to you gently and easily in the days ahead. There may be times when the goodness of life feels like it is ebbing and flowing rather than being a steady stream of fulfillment. This is similar to the moon peeking through the pine trees for a moment or two. But as you stay open and receptive, physical and emotional gifts, they will come into your life. Instead of bemoaning the fact that there isn't a steady and constant stream of joy and gifts from the universe. Accept whatever you receive in a spirit of gratitude, and your bounty will increase tenfold. This is a universal law. And the last two decks are animal decks, and we come now to the lovely animals oracle deck card. Out came Woodpecker. The general message of the woodpecker is to achieve what you want. You need a lot of determination and a high level of concentration. Every little distraction hurts. You should go deep into your substance and soul, but never forget to focus on your concentration. The woodpecker is about projects, determination, and concentration. Its strength is that you have the determination to achieve your own goals. Opportunities are that your wishes or your projects, they are successfully realized. Weaknesses might be that you are distracted by small details, and some dangers they are that you are starting new projects without finishing the previous ones, which can cause chaos. And I do that a lot. I do too many things at once, and then, well, sometimes I'm not quite ready to finish any of it. And the last card is the Archangel Animal card, and out came the Tiger. Accept your magnificence, says Archangel Raphael. Tigers, they come from Orion, and they carry much wisdom in their auras. They are powerful beings, spiritually as well as physically, and they are extremely psychic. Their sole mission is to watch over and guard the planet from lower energies approaching us. Their roars not only alert other creatures to their boundaries, but send a warning out into space. They raise the frequency in the area. No two tigers have the same patterns of stripes, so each one is unique. They are unusual in the feline kingdom, for they are learning to enjoy water and even catch fish, so that they can take this new understanding back to Orion. Guidance of the card is that this card comes to remind you that you are a unique and magnificent person. So accept this. It asks you to tune psychically into a situation or relationship that is troubling you. Trust your inner knowing to present you with the answers that you are seeking. Then listen to your wisdom, as this will reveal to you how to handle the person or the circumstance for the highest good of all. Tiger energy tells you to be prepared to act decisively with strength and power. However, you may not even need to take action, because when you have a tiger in your energy field, other people sense it and respond with respect. The Tiger card also advises you to expand your horizons. Develop something new in your life which you can learn to enjoy. So, Pisces, that was your reading. I thank you very much for listening. I wish you a gorgeous day today. I wish you a rest of a gorgeous week. And I hope tomorrow I will make it finally to go to the zoo. And I hope to get a nice video posted on here for you all to enjoy. So, wish me luck, because I intend to do that tomorrow. Have a wonderful day. Take care and goodbye.